When you look up at the sky at night, depending on where you live, you can probably see lots of stars. The sky is full of cool things. But how much can we see? In this video, I'm going to tell you about a couple of things you can see in the sky and how to spot them. Constellations are fun to look for because they're like pictures in the sky. The ancient Greeks used these groups of stars to remember stories. The ancient Egyptians and Babylonians used the stars to create zodiac constellations, which some people still use to try to tell the future. These constellations are Capricornus, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpius, and Sagittarius. There are a lot of constellations in the sky, and each one is different. As the Earth travels around the Sun, different constellations become visible. My favorite constellation is Orion. Which one is yours? Planets kind of look like stars in the sky. We can see 5 planets from Earth without a telescope: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. You can't usually see all 5 in a single night, and you need to know where to look for them, but they're very pretty to see. Stars are tiny points of light in the sky, and they look twinkly because of Earth's atmosphere. Planets are much closer, so they look bigger than the stars, and they don't twinkle. Meteors are rocks that are falling toward the Earth. Meteors sometimes get burned up in the atmosphere, and the bright light of the burning creates what we call a shooting star. When there are lots of meteors burning up in the sky, we call it a meteor shower. The most popular meteor shower to watch is the Perseid shower because of how many meteors you can see. The shower is usually active from mid-July to late August, and you can see the most meteors in mid-August. Another cool thing you can see is a lunar eclipse. This happens when the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, which casts a shadow on the Moon. The shadow turns the Moon a beautiful reddish-orange color, which is fun to see. The next lunar eclipse that will be visible from the US will be on January 21st, 2019. Most things in space happen in cycles. For example, we can only see constellations during specific seasons as the Earth goes around the Sun. Ask your parents to help you find schedules of these cool events and when they will happen so you can see them too.